Welcome back. So I know you guys have been waiting for the name of this hen, and I've been all through the comments. Now that I'm not working, I can make a video on her. And we're going to call her SS Sniper Wolf, so pretty much Sniper Wolf for short. As you can see, she's pretty cool, like Sniper Wolf, and most of the comments were Sniper Wolf, so we're going with that. And now she's having some babies. She's going to lay her second egg today, so she's probably on the nest now getting ready to do that. So in the next 2 or 3 hours there should be another egg in there. Oh, she's aggressive, very protective. Ow, not bad. And you're going to be the father to our first generation of barless. Anyway, I'm going to catch you guys later. Drop some comments down below, let me know what you think about the name. See you later. Hopefully she lays an egg. I'll let you know.